We're here at Scooby's, man, in Tanjay, and we just checked in. We're going to be spending the night or two, whatever it takes. But we're here to register for the seminar, marriage seminar. There's going to be a bag full of fun. Just being sarcastic. But we're here at Scooby's. Kind of thinking this is backwards and might come out forwards for you all. Anyways, it's a nice little coffee shop here, homie. And it's a breakfast house too. And that's Filipino style. And so the plan is today get registered at least. Tomorrow might be the seminar. What? And then we see what the next step is, I guess. Hey, everybody. What's the matter? She's getting embarrassed because I'm talking to myself in the restaurant here. But pretty busy strip here. Anyways, that's the update. We're in Tanjay now. So love you all. Take it easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay real. Stay you. Love you. Bye.